Hey everyone, welcome back to Single Step English. I'm Steve. In today's lesson, we'll be learning a commonly used phrase, care if I join you? This question is great for asking permission to join someone in an activity or conversation. Let's dive right in. So let's break down the phrase, care if I join you. First, we have the word care, which means to be concerned or interested in something. Then, if is used to introduce a condition or possibility. Finally, I join you means asking to accompany someone. Now, let's see this phrase in action with a couple of sample sentences. Hey, I'm heading to the park to play some basketball. If you also want to play basketball, you can say to me, care if I join you? Here's another situation when you can use this phrase. Let's say you are eating in a crowded school cafeteria or a cafe. There are no tables available, so you need to sit with another group of people because there aren't any seats. This is a perfect time to ask, care if I join you? Or a polite way to ask this is, may I join you? Which means, may I eat at the same table as you? Care if I join you? May I join you? Remember, this phrase is polite and respectful, making it perfect for various social situations. Can you say it along with me? Try it. Care if I join you? Great job, everybody. Now you know how to use the phrase, care if I join you, in your conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll sound natural in no time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.